Convert a CSV file format and import into Quicken 2018 for Mac. Let's create new checking account. Important. Your account must be connected to any bank account. Click My Bank is not on the list, then, Add Manual Account, Finish. Done. We have a checking account. We will use CSV2QFX converter. Free trial is available. We will use a sample CSV file. It has few transactions. The first line is the header. It greatly helps the parser to understand your CSV file and find amount, pay, date. And when you load the CSV file, the left sidebar allows you to adjust the mapping. You can change selection if you have several applicable columns, or if the parser did not choose a correct field, or your CSV file has no header. You can reassign these columns, and Transaction tab shows how this file is parsed. You can set date format in your CSV file, and how dates CSV file, and how dates are shown inside the application. It's important to use different account IDs when you convert for multiple accounts, so Quicken knows where to import the transactions. If you have CSV file from your bank, you just have to review it and click Convert button to convert. Click Convert, click Save, create QFX file from the CSV file. Now we go to Quicken and click File, Import, Bank of Brokerage file, open sample CSV file we just saved. Data account ID in the converter shows us the type of account. Usually we convert for checking account. So you select checking account. We can add new account. This is gonna be new account name. Or we link to the existing account and just select a link. And then we click Continue. We see all transactions imported. There is no category. This category is assigned by Quicken. This is not from CSV file. QFX files do not have categories. You can change the category, and Quicken will use that choice next time you import.